Affiliate marketing is often misunderstood, surrounded by myths that can deter aspiring marketers. Today, we're going to debunk these myths, paving the way for a clearer understanding of affiliate marketing's real potential. Myth 1, get-rich-quick scheme. Many believe affiliate marketing offers instant financial success with minimal effort. This misconception couldn't be further from the truth. Like any business, affiliate marketing requires dedication, time, and strategic planning. Success doesn't happen overnight, but is achievable through consistent effort and patience. Myth 2, need for technical expertise. While technical skills can be beneficial, they're not a prerequisite for success in affiliate marketing. Understanding your audience and creating content that offers value is far more critical. Today's tools and platforms simplify the technical aspects, making affiliate marketing accessible to everyone. Myth 3, large following. Required. The belief that affiliate marketing is only for those with a vast online following is a myth. Success in affiliate marketing is about engaging a targeted audience interested in your niche. Quality connections trump quantity, making it possible for anyone to succeed, regardless of their social media following or email list size. Myth 4, affiliate marketing is illegitimate. Some view affiliate marketing with skepticism, associating it with unethical practices. However, when done correctly, affiliate marketing is a legitimate and profitable business model. It's about forming partnerships and providing genuine value to your audience, not exploiting them. Affiliate marketing isn't just about earning money, it's about adding value to your audience's lives. Focusing on helping and providing solutions can lead to success and financial rewards. This approach differentiates successful marketers from those struggling to make a profit. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a viable and legitimate way to generate income online. By understanding and overcoming these common myths, you can embark on a successful affiliate marketing journey. Remember, success comes from providing value, understanding your audience, and being patient. Have you encountered these myths in your affiliate marketing journey? Share your experiences in the comments below. For more insights and tips, consider subscribing. Let's navigate the path to affiliate marketing success together.